Thank you for tuning into iHeartHealth. Your support is vital to us. We are excited to share valuable insights into natural health remedies. Today, we will discuss fennel seeds water. This natural elixir has numerous health benefits. Natural remedies are becoming more popular as people are looking for safe and effective ways to improve their health. Fennel seeds water is one such remedy. It is easy to prepare and has a long history of use. In this article, we will explore the origins and uses of fennel seeds water. We will also discuss its nutritional content and scientific health benefits. We will share personal anecdotes and case studies to illustrate its effects. Finally, we will summarize the main points and suggest ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Thank you again for joining us. Let's dive into the world of fennel seeds water. Fennel seeds water is a natural remedy with numerous health benefits. Fennel seeds are small, greenish-brown seeds with a sweet, anise-like flavor. They are obtained from the fennel plant, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare. Fennel seeds water is made by soaking fennel seeds in water overnight. The water absorbs the essential oils and nutrients from the seeds. In the morning, you can drink this infused water to reap its health benefits. This simple drink has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits. Many people believe that fennel seeds water can improve digestion, boost metabolism, and promote overall well-being. It is also known for its refreshing and aromatic taste. In the following sections, we will explore the history, nutritional content, and health benefits of fennel seeds water. We will also share personal stories and case studies to show its real-life impact. Fennel seeds water is more than just a refreshing drink. It is a natural health elixir that can enhance your well-being. Fennel seeds have a long history of use in traditional medicine. They have been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans valued fennel for its medicinal properties. In ancient Egypt, fennel seeds were used to treat digestive disorders. They were also believed to have diuretic properties and were used to promote urine flow. The Greeks and Romans used fennel seeds to improve digestion and relieve bloating. In traditional Chinese medicine, fennel seeds are used to warm the digestive tract and dispel cold. They are also believed to improve appetite and reduce abdominal pain. In India, fennel seeds are commonly used in Ayurveda to balance the doshas and promote digestion. Fennel seeds are also used in culinary traditions around the world. They are often used as a spice in cooking, adding a sweet and aromatic flavor to dishes. In India, fennel seeds are chewed after meals to aid digestion and freshen the breath. The historical use of fennel seeds highlights their importance in traditional medicine. They have been valued for their digestive and diuretic properties for thousands of years. Fennel seeds are rich in nutrients and essential oils. They contain several vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health. A tablespoon of fennel seeds provides a significant amount of dietary fiber, which aids digestion. Fennel seeds are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system. They also contain vitamin A, which is important for vision and skin health. Fennel seeds provide small amounts of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. Minerals found in fennel seeds include calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Calcium is important for bone health, while iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. The essential oils in fennel seeds include anethole, fenchone, and estragol. These oils have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. They are also responsible for the sweet and aromatic flavor of fennel seeds. The rich nutritional content of fennel seeds contributes to their health benefits. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. Scientific research has highlighted several health benefits of fennel seeds water. One of the most notable benefits is its ability to improve digestion. Fennel seeds contain compounds that stimulate digestive enzymes. Fennel seeds water is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Another benefit is its potential to regulate blood pressure. Potassium in fennel seeds helps balance sodium levels. Fennel seeds water may also have diuretic effects, promoting detoxification. The scientific health benefits of fennel seeds water are supported by research. Many individuals have experienced the benefits of fennel seeds water firsthand. One such individual is Sarah, a mother of 2. Sarah struggled with digestive issues for years. She often felt bloated and uncomfortable after meals. She started drinking a glass of fennel seeds water every morning. Within weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her digestion. Another story is John, a man with high blood pressure. He read about its benefits and started drinking it daily. Over time, he noticed a reduction in his blood pressure. These anecdotes highlight the real-life benefits of fennel seeds water. Case studies provide valuable insights into the real-life impact of fennel seeds water. One such case study involved a group of individuals with digestive issues. The participants were asked to drink fennel seeds water daily for a period of 8 weeks. The results were remarkable. Many participants reported a significant improvement in their digestive health. They experienced less bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals. Some even reported improved bowel movements and reduced symptoms of IBS. Another case study focused on individuals with high blood pressure. The participants were instructed to include fennel seeds water in their daily routine. After 12 weeks, researchers observed a noticeable reduction in blood pressure levels among the participants. In addition to the physical benefits, participants also reported improved mental well-being. They felt more relaxed and less stressed. The case studies demonstrated that fennel seeds water could positively impact both physical and mental health. Case studies provide strong evidence of the health benefits of fennel seeds water. They show that it can improve digestion, reduce blood pressure, and enhance overall well-being. Incorporating fennel seeds water into your daily routine is simple and easy. Start by purchasing high-quality fennel seeds from a reputable source. Organic fennel seeds are a good choice as they are free from pesticides and chemicals. To prepare fennel seeds water, add a tablespoon of fennel seeds to a glass of water. Let it soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water to remove the seeds. Your fennel seeds water is now ready to drink. You can drink fennel seeds water on an empty stomach or throughout the day. It is a refreshing and hydrating beverage that can be enjoyed at any time. For added flavor, you can also add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves. Consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the benefits of fennel seeds water. Make it a part of your daily routine and stick with it. Over time, you will start to notice improvements in your digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being. Incorporating fennel seeds water into your daily routine is easy and beneficial. It is a simple step towards better health and well-being. In this article, we explored the health benefits of fennel seeds water. We started by discussing its historical origins and traditional uses. Fennel seeds have been valued for their medicinal properties for centuries. We then delved into the nutritional content of fennel seeds. They are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This contributes to their numerous health benefits. Scientific research has highlighted the digestive, anti-inflammatory, and blood pressure regulating properties of fennel seeds water. Personal anecdotes and case studies provided real-life evidence of its benefits. We also discussed how to incorporate fennel seeds water into daily routines. It is a simple and easy way to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and enhance overall well-being. Fennel seeds water is a natural health elixir with numerous benefits. It is a valuable addition to any health and wellness routine. Thank you for tuning into iHeartHealth. We appreciate your support and interest in natural health remedies. Fennel seeds water is a simple yet powerful elixir that can improve your health and well-being. We encourage you to try fennel seeds water and experience its benefits for yourself. Share your experiences with us in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. If you found this article helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content. Thank you once again for your support. Stay healthy and stay happy. Until next time, take care.